If you're looking for a delicious Nigerian soup that can go with almost anything, then you definitely need to try this vegetable soup. This is what I call one soup, multiple meals. Look at this. I'm going to start with my meat. I'm using just a little bit of meat for this. I'm using beef. You can use, of course, different type of protein that you want, like shaki, because we are cooking vegetable soup. So like shaki or every other thing, but I'm going to be using beef and pomo, which is cow skin. So I will start by seasoning the beef. I blended some onions and scotch bonnet. I added ginger to it. So I'm going to season the meat and the beef, sorry, and I'll allow it to cook on a low heat first before adding the other protein to it. So after then, I will come back and check, and then I will add my cow skin. This is cow skin, a few of that. I will add it and then add a little bit of water to it just to allow it to cook. Hey food lover, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new to this channel, my name is Bose and this is Bose's Home Kitchen. So I'm going to go with the pepper maize. I'm using the red bell pepper. I'll use some tomatoes and I will add scotch bonnet to it. I think I forgot to add onions to this, and my onions is just in front of me, looking at me like this, but I don't even know. Should I say it's tiredness? But anyway, we are good to go. It still come out delicious anyway, but please don't forget to add onions before blending it because on this channel we are sincere people. So I'm going to cover that and blend it. You can roughly blend your peppermint, but I'm going to be blending this uh very well. Then I will go and check on my protein, which is ready. I'm going to put that in a bowl and put that aside. I'm going to go with, I'm using baby spinach. If you want, you can add different green leafy if you want. So I'm just going to use baby spinach. You see this spinach that came out as if is a whole lot. Just keep looking at what I'm going to bring out from this. So I'm just going to add some hot water to it. I'm going to rinse it a little bit too. So normally I don't think I should rinse it a lot because we don't want to throw it a nutrient in there. But anyway, it's fine like this. I added some salt, just to remove sand, but it's not really that deep. Okay. So I'm going to cut it and I'm good to go before setting it aside. Okay. All these are just like me preparing my ingredients, and just getting them ready for the pot. Okay. The beef, the spinach, the the pepper mix, and all the spices, and I'm going to go. They all came out, beautiful, season. They will give the soup the deep and rich flavor they need. Here comes the ingredients: locust beans. Some people don't really like locust beans, but you can grind it with the pepper mix. I have crayfish, of course. I have some grilled Titus fish, which I've already pieces and chopped in a bowl. I have the meat scallops, and then I have my protein, my spinach. All they are all ready, and we are good to go. So once everything is ready, I'll start, by adding some palm oil in a pot, and I'm just going to go with the blended onion, scotch bonnet and ginger. Okay, you can always slice the onions, it depends. My family don't really like onions, so I just go with how sweetable it's gonna be anyway. Then I will add the locust beans. Some people don't really like locust beans directly, so you can just blend that with the peppermint. And then I will add a little bit of crayfish just to fry it a little bit. It gives a little bit of flavor anyway. And then I will go with the peppermint, give that a good mix, and then I'm going to cover it to cook for maybe 5 minutes, something like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. After 5 minutes and 6 minutes, I'm going to open it and give that a little minute before adding my seasoning. I will go ahead and add some crayfish again. See, yeah. When you are cooking vegetable soup, please be generous with crayfish. Oh. Anyway, it depends. Some people don't really quite like crayfish, but for me, forget it. Crayfish must be dancing in it like this. So I will just add the put in the beef and cow skin, and then I'll go ahead and pour all the remaining crayfish inside, give that a good mix, and then I will cover it to cook for another 5 minutes. This we have already prepared all our ingredients, so it's gonna make it faster. I'm just giving that a taste to see if we are good to go. The salt, after adding the meat broth, just to see that we are good to go. And it came out really, really good. After covering it to cook for like 6 minutes again, I will then come back and add my spinach and I will cover it. I'm going to be using oat fufu because this period I'm just trying to watch my weight. I'm at least 90% eating healthy meals. Sometimes I do intermittent fasting, sometimes 2 meal a day, just to make sure that I'm trying to cut down some kilos. So if you are really, really want to eat healthy, just follow this channel. More are coming your way. So I have some of my children, they like pounded yam, but me, I'm using oat milk and then oat fufu, and that's all I'm going to be pairing with the vegetable soup. Have some of my children that want yam, so I'm cooking that aside. I want some that want rice, and I'm also cooking that aside. So everything, like you can see, they are all coming together. Everything is good to go. Just cook just enough to keep that beautiful color and texture. And honestly, this is really good. The vegetable soup really came out really good. And my hot fufu is on the way and almost ready. This soup is really, really versatile. You can enjoy it with white rice, boiled yam, or your favorite swallow. No matter how you serve it, that rich, flavorful soup is gonna make it made special. You know what I mean? So this is really, really good. And the best part is that you can make a good pot of this and enjoy it your different side throughout the week. Like me, I can always cook oatmeal spaghetti, boiled plantain, name it. Moi moi can go with this vegetable. So that is why I named it one soup multiple meal. So tell me, if this plate was in front of you right now, would you choose rice, yam, or swallow? Tell me which one you would choose. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you, and I am so, so grateful for you guys. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.